Hey guys, it's Ronnie here with Great Choice, and we are just now finishing up this cool backyard. We have a little drone video we'll add to it, but as a walk around, we'll show you where everything is first off. So we went with some James satellite speakers. You can see how small they are right there. And they do produce quite a bit of good sound. So let's cruise on. We're gonna get over here near the sub area. And not very well you can hear it through the video, but as always, the sub is over here kicking pretty good. And we do have one more sat over here as well. And we'll take a look at it. And with that being said, we're using a Sonance DSP 21-50 for outside. So as you can see right now, we're inside. This is where we have our two amplifiers. One of those amplifiers does run the pool system. The other amplifier runs the house-wide audio. And we also have two Sonos ports. One goes to each amplifier. And then we also have a CD player for line in, so they can play that throughout the house on their classic CDs that they would have. As you can see, the little tote down there on the bottom is full of CDs, so they do have a whole bunch of CDs. And we'll take a look back outside. And these sats are the 4-inch models from James Loudspeaker. So they're not really big, but they do produce really good sound for the size. And this is the in-ground subwoofer by James. It's a 8-inch sub. It does produce pretty good amount of bass out of that little thing. For this size backyard, it's perfect. The client actually loved how much bass actually produced and all the sound that was, created towards the house and not towards his golf course. So hopefully he doesn't get in trouble playing it too loud. And guys, remember to like and subscribe down below, and have a great choice day.